These are the top 5 best gaming laptops that I've tested in 2023. And kicking off our exciting lineup is the Asus ROG Zephyrus M16, sliding into the 5th spot. This laptop is a gaming beast wrapped in a premium package and boasts an impressively thin design. Compared to its predecessor, Asus has stepped up the game with the ROG Zephyrus M16. One of the key improvements is thermal management, thanks to the addition of a third fan. This means your laptop stays cooler during those intense gaming sessions, ensuring consistent performance. Upgrade options have also received a boost, with 2 memory slots now available as opposed to the previous single slot. This makes it easier for you to customize your laptop to your gaming needs. And let's not forget the new mini LED screen this year, which is nothing short of stunning. It brings your games to life with vibrant colors and sharp details. However, it's not all smooth sailing. One downside is that the keyboard tends to get warm in the middle while gaming. But don't worry, the WASD area, where your fingers will be dancing during gameplay, stays cool. When it comes to performance, we tested the RTX 4070 configuration, and it delivered a solid gaming experience. However, we wouldn't recommend going above the 4070 in the M16's thinner chassis. Our fellow tech reviewer Just Josh tested the RTX 4090 configuration and found it to run louder and hotter. So, sticking more power into a thinner design like the M16 might not be the best idea. And let's talk about value. The M16 costs significantly more compared to better performing 4090 laptops like Lenovo's Legion Pro 7i, which we'll be discussing next. So, you might want to keep that in mind if you're considering the M16. In conclusion, the Asus ROG Zephyrus M16, with its premium feel, improved features and solid performance, is a worthy contender in the gaming laptop arena. It has its shortcomings, but its strengths make it a strong choice for gamers looking for a blend of performance and style. So the Asus ROG Zephyrus M16, with its premium feel and improved features, earns the 5th spot in our list. Moving on to number 4, let me introduce the better performing Lenovo's Legion Pro 7i. The Pro 7i is a bit larger compared to the Asus ROG Zephyrus M16, which might mean a slight compromise on portability. But every cloud has a silver lining, and in this case, the larger size translates into a superior cooling system and high-performance capability. Among the standout features of the Pro 7i is an RGB light bar on the front. Now, some might say this feature has nothing to do with gaming performance, but let's be honest, it does add a certain cool factor to the laptop. And if you're not a fan of the RGB, no worries, you can easily switch it off. The screen of the Legion Pro 7. I may not be a mini LED like the M16, but it's nothing short of impressive. Moreover, the build quality of this laptop is commendable. It's solid, sturdy, and built to last. It's no surprise then that it has been the most popular gaming laptop among our viewers this year. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows with the Legion Pro 7i. Lenovo has moved some of the features from last year's Legion 7 to their new higher-tier Legion 9. This might be a bit of a disappointment for some, but on the bright side, it has kept the price tag of the Pro 7i within a reasonable range. And let's not forget the RTX 4080 version of the Pro 7i, which has been selling like hotcakes recently. Despite having fewer features compared to its predecessor, the Legion Pro 7i still stands its ground when compared to other gaming laptops of the year, 2023. And aside from the RGB lighting, it's not significantly different from the cheaper Legion Pro 5i, which also ranks quite high in our list. So despite some feature reduction, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i stands out in the crowd of 2023 gaming laptops, making it to number 4. Stay tuned for the next contender in our top 5 gaming laptops of the year. If you've enjoyed the information I've provided for you, please comment and subscribe. In 3rd place, we have another Lenovo model, the Legion Slim 5. Lenovo has been creating waves in the gaming community, and the Legion Slim 5 is no exception. This laptop is available in 2 distinct versions, but don't be fooled, they're as different as night and day. Let's start with the 14-inch version. This little powerhouse boasts an OLED screen, and it's quickly become my top pick for a 14-inch gaming laptop this year. The performance is nothing short of impressive. Despite its smaller size, you won't be losing any performance compared to its bigger sibling, the 16-inch model. The CPU performance and frames per second in games hold their ground, proving that good things indeed come in small packages. But what really sets it apart is the OLED screen. This is not your average display. It offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a level of sharpness that makes every game come alive. It's like having a high-end gaming monitor condensed into a portable 14-inch laptop. Speaking of portability, the Legion Slim 5 shines in this department. It's slim, lightweight, and easy to carry around, making it perfect for gamers on the go. Whether you're heading to a friend's house for a gaming session or traveling, the Legion Slim 5 has got your back. The 16-inch version, on the other hand, while still maintaining a good level of performance, doesn't quite match up to the compact powerhouse nature of the 14-inch model. However, it's still a worthy contender if you prefer larger displays. To sum it all up, the Lenovo Legion Slim 5, especially the 14-inch version, is a fantastic blend of performance, screen quality, and portability. It's a laptop that proves you don't need to sacrifice power for size. It's a laptop that's built for gamers who value performance and mobility. The Legion Slim 5, with its performance and portability, earns the well-deserved third spot on our list. Moving forward, let's unveil the laptop that sits proudly at number 2. It's none other than the Asus ROG Strix G16. And believe me, this one's a beast. I thought that this was one of the best gaming laptops all year. We just didn't have any problems with it. It worked great and has nice features like advanced Optimus and G-Sync, high CPU and GPU power limits for good FPS in games, and of course, most importantly of all, an RGB light bar on the front. Draw more frames and win more games with Windows 11, a 13th Gen Intel Core, i9 13980HX processor, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU at 140W max TGP. But what sets the Strix G16 apart is the fact it has a fast FHD 165Hz panel to make sure you never miss a moment. It also covers 100% of the sRGB color space and feature Dolby Vision, adaptive sync support, and a 90% screen-to-body ratio for a stellar gaming and viewing experience. Its MUX switch increases laptop gaming performance by 5–10% by routing frames directly from the DGPU to the display bypassing the iGPU. With Advanced Optimus, the switch between iGPU and DGPU becomes automatic based on the task, optimizing battery life. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The Asus ROG Strix G16, despite its magnificent features, does come with a hefty price tag. My only problem with it is the fact that it's too expensive. It's definitely an investment, but for the power and performance it delivers, it's worth every penny. Also, its battery life could be better. It's not terrible, but it's not great either. But hey, it's a gaming laptop, right? We're here for the performance, not for battery longevity. With its exceptional features and performance, this laptop secures the second spot on our list. The Asus ROG Strix G16 truly stands as a testament to Asus's commitment to delivering high-quality gaming laptops. So, if you're looking for a laptop that offers both power and aesthetics, this one's definitely worth considering. Now it's time to reveal the best of the best, the top gaming laptop of 2023. Drumroll, please. The crown goes to none other than the Alienware Area 51MR2. This is not just a laptop, it's an absolute beast. A gaming powerhouse that takes performance to a whole new level. First off, the Area 51MR2 is powered by the latest Intel Core i9 processor, providing you with the raw power and speed you need to handle even the most demanding games. Now pair that with an NVIDIA RTX 4090 graphics card, and you have a machine that can easily tackle any game at the highest settings. But power isn't everything, right? Well, the Area 51MR2 also delivers on the visual front. It boasts a stunning 17.3-inch FHD display with a 360Hz refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth gameplay and incredibly detailed visuals. And let's not forget about the keyboard, an often overlooked but crucial part of any gaming laptop. Alienware has outdone themselves this year with a keyboard that's both comfortable and responsive, allowing for fast and precise movements during those intense gaming sessions. Now you might be thinking, all this power must come with a lot of heat. Well, Alienware has that covered too. The Area 51MR2 features an advanced cooling system that effectively disperses heat, ensuring that your laptop remains cool under pressure. What sets this laptop apart from the others is its upgradability. Unlike most gaming laptops, the Area 51MR2 allows you to upgrade both the CPU and GPU. This means that your laptop can evolve with the times, keeping you at the forefront of gaming technology. And last but not least, the design. The Area 51MR2's stylish and sleek chassis is sure to turn heads, and the RGB lighting gives it that extra touch of gamer flair. This laptop is not just a tool, it's a statement. With its outstanding performance and unbeatable features, this laptop is the absolute best gaming laptop of 2023. Each of these laptops has its strengths. The Asus ROG Zephyrus M16 excels in design and display, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i in power and build quality, and the Legion Slim 5 in affordability and portability. The choice ultimately lies in what you prioritize in your gaming experience. If you're a casual gamer who loves a good balance between aesthetics and performance, the Asus ROG Zephyrus M16 could be your ideal match. If you're a hardcore gamer who needs a powerful machine and doesn't mind a slightly larger build, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is worth considering. And if you're on a budget but still want a laptop that can handle your gaming needs, the Lenovo Legion Slim 5 is a fantastic choice. Remember, these are just recommendations. The gaming world is diverse and so are the needs of gamers. You might prioritize other features like battery life, keyboard comfort, or even brand loyalty. So take these recommendations as a starting point in your search for the perfect gaming laptop. But what about other brands like MSI, Dell, Alienware, Razer, Gigabyte, or HP? They just didn't make it into my top 5 this year, but I will definitely speak on them in a later video, so stay tuned. No matter which one you choose, remember that the best gaming laptop is the one that fits your personal gaming style and needs. So, should you buy a gaming laptop now or wait? On one hand, you don't want to miss out on saving money with a great deal, but then on the other hand, you don't want to miss out on better performance coming from early 2024 models just a couple of months away now. So what do? Buy now or wait? I've spoken with some of the big laptop brands to find out what they've got coming in 2024, and honestly, for most people, if you do need something now, take advantage of these sales and buy now. Until next time, happy gaming.